Welcome to the second lesson in Arthashastra audio lessons with Sanskrit text, English transliteration and translation, explanation, 20 verses in this. The first 20 verses we had introduction, 21 to 40 now. 26 to 40 shlokas will have the names of 103 names of Bharata. So please enjoy the lesson. Tat Shrutva Vachanam Shakro Brahmanaya Udahutam Pranjalihi Pranato Bhutva Pratyuvacha Pitamaha. After listening to what Brahma said, Shakra responded to him with a salutation. Grahane Dharane Jnane Prayoge Cha Asya Sattama Ashakta Bhagavan Deva Na Yogya Natya Karmas. Indra responds by saying that Deva Na Yogya, gods are unfit for Natya Karmas, for dance they are unfit because they neither have Grahana, Dharana, Jnana or Prayoga. Grahanam is grasping, Dharanam is memory, Jnanam is knowledge, and Prayoga is ability to perform. So he says in a nutshell that Devas are unfit to perform dance because they neither have grasping power, nor memory, nor knowledge, nor the ability to perform. Now the 22nd shloka is over, 23rd. Eime Veda Guhyagnya Munayah Samshitavrataha Ete Asya Grahane Shaktaha Prayoge Dharane Tatha. He says Munayah, only Munis, Samshitavrataha, because they have discipline. They only can perform, they are fit to perform this because they have grahane shaktaha, prayoge dharane tada. They have the power of grasping, the power of performance and the power of memory. So this is the 23rd sloka. Now it's very important for dancers to understand the four concepts given in the sloka number 20 by Brahma and the four concepts given by shlokas 22 and 23 by Indra. These are the 8 qualities that a dancer should have. That neither these are those qualities that are even the gods do not have, but the dancers have. Please be proud to be a dancer. And he says, in the 20th shloka, there are 4 words used. Kushala. Kushala is one who can grasp from the Guru and retain it in the memory. The second quality in shloka number 20 is Vidagdha. Vidagdha are those who know where to add, modify or delete anything. The third quality is Pragalbha. Those who don't have stage fear are called Pragalbha. And the fourth quality is Jitashrama. Those who don't strain after a rigorous dance practice are Jitashrama. So Kushala, Vidagdha, Pragalbha and Jitashrama are the qualities prescribed by Brahma for dancers. And Indra says Devas are unfit because they don't have Grahana, ability to grasp, Dharana, ability to retain in memory, Jnana, intelligence to apply where it is necessary, and Prayoga, ability to perform or employ it in choreography. So these are the qualities described by Brahma and Indra in slokas 20. By Brahma 4 qualities, and 22, 23 are 4 qualities given by Indra. Zurtvatu Shakravachanam Mamaha Ambuja Sambhavaha Tvam Putrasa Sanyuktaha Prayoktasya Bhavanagha. After listening to Indra's words, Ambuja Sambhavaha, the one who is born in the lotus, that is Brahma, Mamaha, he told me that Tvam, you with Putrashat Sanyuktaha, with your 100 sons, Prayokta Asya Bhavanaga, O blemishless Bharata, you should become the preceptor, the teacher for this Natya Shastra, and that is 24. Shloka number 25 is by Bharata. Ajñāpito viditváham natyavedam pitamahat putran adhyapayamasa prayoganchapi tatvatah. Having been ordered by Pitamaha and learned from him, I started teaching the prayoga of Natya Shastra to my children without any defect. Shloka number 25. Now the names of the 104 sons of Bharata in the shlokas 26 to 40. Shandilyanchapi Vachyancha Kohalan Dattilan Tadha Jatilambaštakam Chaiva Tandumagnishikham Tadha Saindhavam Sapulomanam Shadvalim Vipulan Tadha Kapinjalam Badarincha Yama Dhumrayanav Tadha Jambudhvajam Kakajangham Swarnakam Tapasan Tadha Kedarim Shalikarnancha Dirgagatrancha Shalikam Kautsam Tandayaninchaiva Pingalam Chitrakantadha Bandulam Bhallakanchaiva Mushtikam Saindhavayanam Taitilam Bhargavanchaiva Shuchim Bahulameva Abudham Budasenancha Pandukarnam Sakeralam Rujukam Mandakanchaiva Chambaram Vangulantadha Magadam Saralanchaiva Kartaran Chogramevacha Tusharam Parshadancaiva Gautamam Badarayanam Vishalam Shabalanchaiva Sunabam Meshamevacha Kaliyam Brahmaranchaiva Tadha Petamukham Munim Nakakuttashma Kuttaucha Shatpadam Swattamantadha Padukopanahau Chaiva Ritin Chashaswarantada Agnikundajukundaucha Vitandyam Tandyamevacha Kattaraksham Miranyaksham Kuchalam Dussahantada Lajam Bhayanakanchaiva Bhivatsam Savichakshanam Pundraksham Pundravasancha Asitam Sitamevacha Vidyujjihvam Mahajihvam Shalankayanamavacha Shamayanam Matharancha Lohitangan Tadhaivacha Samvartakam Panchishikam Trishikam Shikhamevacha Shankavarnamukam Shannam Shankukarnam Adhapicha Chakraneming Gavastincha Apyam Shumalim Chatantada Vidyutam Shatajangancha Raudram Veeramadhapicha Pitamahagnya Yasmabhir Lokascha Gunestaya Prayojitam Putrashatam Yada Bhumi Vibhagashaha Yo Yasmin Karmani Yada Yogyastvasmin Sayojitaha. Until 39, the first line, Vidyutam Shatajangancha Raudram Veeramadhapicha are the names. From 39, second line, and the 40th sloka. These are 104 names of Bharata's sons, not necessarily sons. Sons can be disciples also. Disciples can be sons too. And so these are the names. Shandilya, Vatsya, Kohala, Dattila, Jatila, Ambashtaka, Tandu, Agnishikha, Saindhava, Puloma, Shadvali, Vipula, Kapinjali, Badari, Yama, Dhumrayana, Jambudhvaja, Kakajangha, Swarnaka, Tapasa, Kaidari, Shalikarna, Dirgagatra, Shalikarna, Kautsa, Tandayani, Pingala, Chitraka, Bandhula, Bhallaka, Mushtika, Saindhavayana, Taitila, Bhargava, Shuchi, Bahula, Abudha, Budasena, Pandukarna, Shukerala, Rujaka, Mandaka, Shambara, Vanjula, Magadha, Sarala, Karta, Ugra, Tushara, Parshada, Gautama, Badarayana, Vishala, Shabala, Sunabha, Meshudu, Mesha, Kaliya, Brahmara, Pithamukha Muni, Nakakutta, Ashmakutta, Shatpada, Uttama Paduka, Upanaha Shruti, Chashas, Shashaswara, Agnikunda, Ajjakunda, Vitandya, Tandya, Kartaraksha, Hiranyaksha, Kushala, Dussaha, Laja, Bhayanaka, Bibhatsa, Vichakshana, Pundraksha, Pundranasu, Asita, Sita, Vidyujihva, Mahajihva, Shalankayana, Shyamayana, Mathara, Lohitanga, Samvartaka, Panchashikha, Trishikha, Shikha, Shankhavarna, Mukha, Shanda, Shankukarna, Shakranemi, Ghavastyam, Shumali, Shatha, Vidyuta, Chatajanga, Raudra. These are the 104 names. According to the Brahma's command, Bharata says, I have, according to their efficiency, characteristics and traits and intelligence, I have employed them wherever I can employ them in the performance of drama. So if there are any repetitions of the names, please understand it's not necessary that one person only should be there with one name. Thank you very much.